Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 4. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day, the day is Tuesday. The date is 16 September 2025. Thank you. Good morning everyone. This is Osam Makandar from grade 4. Every Tuesday we observe Thoughtful Tuesday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share thought. The thought is an earth without ozone is like a house without roof. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Veera Kapil Chowgule from grade 4. I am Dhruvi Manisha Garal from grade 4. I am Satyadulia Patil from grade 4. My name is Shutyani Vaste from grade 4. Today we are going to tell importance of the day. Today is the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. What is ozone layer? It's a special layer of gas high up in the sky. It protects our Earth from the sun's strong rays. Why is the ozone layer important? It keeps us safe from getting sunburn, helps protect our skins and eyes, keeps plants, animals and oceans healthy. What is hunting ozone layer? Some stray and old creatures have bad gases. These gases go up and make holes in the ozone layer that lets in too much sunlight. The date for ozone layer caused by CFCs, salons, etc. First noticed in the 1970s. Major concern in 1980s anti-ozone layer. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that avoid products with harmful chemicals, use eco-friendly air conditioners and refrigerators, support green initiatives. Blue skies above.